Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make the weather app appear on your lock screen in Windows 11. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button and select Settings. So go ahead and left click on that. Select Personalization on the left side. And then on the right, you want to go down and select the lock screen. So go ahead and left click on that. On the right side, underneath lock screen status, choose an app to show detailed status on the lock screen. Go ahead and click inside the drop down here, select weather, and that's all you have to do. So close out of here, and then when you restart, it should go right to the weather app on the lock screen. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.